This is similar to the high power pneumatic as shown. This is high power hydraulic. It means also mechanical lock inside. This is a low pressure Cosmic clamp. Double action.
Up to 70 bar.
Up to 70 bar. Testing pressure is always 105, 110 for all of our products. That means if you have pressure, sometimes the pressure goes up for a short time. Up to 110 bar, it doesn't matter. This is double action link clamp. 70 bar Cosmic standard. This is Cosmic high power. These are two load sensors. Digit is here to the load sensor. Inside there are two hydraulic pistons with hydraulic cylinders. Now I want to make the clamping. You can see we have there 27 bar in both cylinders inside. These are the pressure switches. Then we have there the counter, you can say, to measure what is the movement of the piston if a thrusting load is coming of more than clamping force. Okay? So clamping force is about 1.8. Now I make machining from the backside loading. English. That means the situation here is like this. We're working against
the clamping direction.
Yes. Normally it's forbidden to do that in a fixture design. But not now. The reason is now there's a mechanical lock. Now I put these two cylinders are coming, and you can see this piston is moving 2 microns. This piston nearly 20 microns back. The movement of the lever here is more than 40 microns, they're just 15. But you can see this 50 micron is just the lever geometry, not the piston. This is just here the that means with this technology it's not possible to work like this. With this technology you can work like this. That means in some cases you save one complete machining center operation. You don't have to twist the workpiece. For example, if you want to make the machining by clamping here and here on a tombstone, you have to machine here, then remove and make a new fixture to make this here. Now, make this here and the fixture to have a hole and a rotary table and you go inside. So it's one clamping. So you save one complete machining center. That means one fixture is about 10,000 euro, 15,000, the machining center is 500,000 euro. If you save a complete fixture for 20,000 or for 10,000 euro, the customer don't ask about if it's 500 or 700 euro. They don't ask. But if the purchase department ask why you are more expensive, so you have to go to the technician and explain that the clamps are more expensive. It's our technology, but the complete project costs are going down. This is very important to explain.